Why I am so lucky to have you as my wife. Lateef Adedimeji tells wife Bimpe as they celebrate second wedding anniversary. Nollywood actor Lateef Adedimeji has revealed why he's lucky to have Bimpe as his wife as they celebrate their second wedding anniversary today. Sharing stunning photos of them over the years, he gushed over his woman, whom he praised for having a heart full of love and affection, for being caring. He noted how it is 2 years since they said "I do," and for him, it is forever to go, and he believes that their celebration of their life will last a lifetime and beyond. He stated that no greater light has illuminated his oath more than the love and change Bimpe has brought into his life. According to him, if his life was a boat floating over the shopping waters, Bimpe is a set of sails that will see him through. Which of the blessing of Allah will I deny? Not at all. A great marriage happens when an imperfect couple come together and learns to enjoy each other's differences. It is 2 years today, forever to go, and your heart is always full of love and affection. Your hands are always caring. I am lucky to have you as my wife. No greater light illuminates my path than the love and change you have brought into my life. Happy wedding anniversary, my love. Cheers forever, my love. Ìyàwó Alhaji my Obim at Bimpe. Months back, Lateef Adedimeji had opened up about him and his wife Bimpe's love story. The comic actor stated that he and Bimpe had vowed in their hearts never to marry colleague until they met each other, and things changed from there. According to Lateef, he had met his wife at the set of her second production and they had both become friends. However, things slowly grew from there. They also revealed that they had both encountered a roadblock in their relationship, as Lateef was a co-Muslim while Bimpe was a Christian. For their first anniversary in 2022, Lateef released a love song for his wife and a loved-up video to accompany it. The couple were seen on a romantic date as the song played in the background. In his anniversary note, Lateef appreciated Bimpe for giving him peace, making him work on himself, taking care of him, and many more. Affirming his love for her, Lateef declared that he would choose his wife over and over again. Bimpe, on her part, had announced that she was expecting a set of twins with him, calling him Bimpe Oyebade, which means father of twins, and prayed that the following year they will mark their second wedding anniversary with their twins. Though her wish didn't come true, the marriage is still young, and who knows, next year they could be marking it with their twins. Stay tuned for more insights on our YouTube channels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below with your thoughts for more entertainment, insights, and exclusive stories. Make sure to subscribe to Summary Crown TV. Until next time, stay fabulous, cool, calm. To catch up on the latest updates about entertainment news and celebrity gist, stay tuned.